Hello everyone. Today I am going to unbox cordless water flosser for teeth from Meditive company. This I ordered from Amazon. Let us unbox it. There is a water tank having 350 ml capacity. Dental flosser has ergonomic design and more comfortable grip. Different designed nozzle tips are available. This is USB charging cable which is used for charging. You can connect the charging cable with USB charging port. Assemble the water flosser. Attach nozzle tip. There is on and off button and mode button by which you can select different modes. There is a water valve. Open it and fill the tank with water. Select the mode by pressing the mode button. Turn on the instrument by pressing on and off switch. Direct the jet stream at a 90-degree angle to your gum line. There is a nozzle release button. Press the nozzle release button. Remove nozzle tip. You can fix other nozzle tip of your choice. Disassemble water tank and store nozzle tips after use. Empty the water tank after use. Thank you.